Hi, I'm Peter from RADiCAL. Let me show you some of our atmospheric effects, which you can see right now within Canvas, our real-time 3D platform. Let me show you how. So here I have a great looking scene, although it's very flat. I got nice lights, I got a good set of animations, but it's missing something. So what I can do is I can bring up the effects tab through the flyout tabs, and then I've got 6 different options: fog, dust, snow, rain, fire, and explosions. Each of these roughly behave the same in terms of editable parameters, but they have different results. So the fog, it looks like fog. There I can change the opacity to make it super thick. I can change the coloring. I can change the density, make it even thicker, or I can make it quite sparse. I can change the particle size of it as well to make it very small, or I can make it astronomically thick. And I can change the speed to make it like a fast, like gale force, or I can make it quite slow. And I can do this as well for everything else. So dust has got a similar effect. So if I up the density, change the particle size and speed. This is good for your going through your abandoned factory vibes, the dust, the thickness in the air. Snow, your classic Christmas scene. Rain, there you can simulate what it's like being in the UK. And fire and explosion are unique and special. So as you can see, it's a card. They're all cards. This one has got a very special effect where it can have light enabled. And this allows a reactive light source. You can also enable shadows as well. Do remember that these lightings and shadows are calculated on the CPU and the GPU in real time, so make sure you plan for other systems available. And explosions is a very similar thing as well. You can also change it through an infinite loop, and you can actually have it set as a pre-later thing. So if I was to change this to 10 seconds, and then run this through, it'll go off at the 10-second mark. So you can help queue up and set up your multiple explosions. That is a quick look at our atmospheric effects within Canvas. They're available for all for free right now.